In this video, I will show you how to share a location on Google Maps. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on Google Maps. Now, what you're going to want to do once you've opened up Google Maps is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon up here. And that's going to go ahead and open up a menu. From here, you're going to see an option for location sharing. So what you want to do is press onto this. And that's going to take you across to a screen like this. So it says stay connected, share your real-time location with friends and family. They can see where you are and share with you across Google Apps and services. Your location is updated even when the app is not in use. So to go ahead and turn this on and share your location, just go ahead and press the blue share location button here. And what you can do is share your real-time location. So you can choose how long to share your location for. So as you can see, you've got a plus and minus button here. So you can choose to do this for hours or so many minutes. Or what you can do is select until you turn this off, in which case you have to disable this manually. So you can see underneath also that you can directly share your location link with people. So you can see a couple of email addresses and some apps down here. And also if you click onto the More button here, you can see some more ways to share your location. So what you do is type a name, phone number or email address into here and you'll be able to go ahead and share your location. So that's how to go ahead and turn it on. So if you actually want to go ahead and turn this off, what you're going to want to do back when you're on the maps is come again to your profile picture up in the top right hand corner, press onto this and again come into location sharing. Now what's going to happen, you're going to get a pop-up at the bottom and what you can see at the bottom it says, can see your location until you turn this off. This is how I've set it up and all you need to do is simply press the stop button here. So I was currently sharing this with someone. As you can see, that's now been stopped, so I'm no longer sharing my location. So that's how to go ahead and share a location on Google Maps. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.